Welcome guys. Let's do Mina protocol technical analysis and price prediction for this bull run. So please watch this video until end and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter, links are in this video's description. And please watch this video until end because in this video I want to show you my immediate short-term target as well as my long-term targets and my target of this bull run. So please watch this video until end. Current rank of Mina is 90 and price of the Mina protocol is $4.43. Market cap of Mina is $1 billion and 24-hour trading volume of Mina is $109 million. Circulating supply of Mina is 243 million, which is very small, very low, and total supply of Mina is just 856 million, which is very small. I will show you the website later. Let me please show you some statistics. On Monday 31 May 2020, price of the Mina was $3.26. After that, price goes to $9. All-time high of Mina was on June 1, 2021, about 4 months ago, and the price was $9. And all-time low of Mina was on July 21, 2021, about 2 months ago, and price was just 92 cents. In 30 days, Mina gives 43% profit to its holders, and it is available on Binance, Kraken, Gate.io, OK Exchange. And if you want to buy this token on Binance Exchange, just go to in this video's description where you can get a pin message and these links. Click on this link. This is the Binance Exchange link. Click on this link and create your account, and after initial deposit you can get $700 extra bonus, and also I will give you $20 if you register with my affiliate link and complete your KYC and give me proof on Telegram or Twitter. I will pay you $20 immediately. Let me please show you the website. The world's lightest blockchain powered by participants. Mina is building a gateway between the real world and crypto and the infrastructure for the secure democratic future we all deserve. And the size of Mina blockchain is very small, just 22 KB, and other blockchain size are very big and 300 GB plus, and that is why Mina protocol is very good blockchain and having very bright future. And this is the token, and I think this token will give you huge profit, but please do your own research before buying this token. This is the website. Please visit this website by your own. Now I will show you the charts. Let me please show you the charts. This is the website. You can visit by your own. This is Mina USDT 4-hour Binance chart. It is in this descending channel, and here you can see this is upper trend line, and here you can see several touches, and this is downtrend line, several touches. Now after touching this line again, Mina price is bouncing back, and there is a resistance for the Mina is at $4.8 price level. This is the resistance level for Mina. Once it broke this, in that case price of the Mina will boost, and after that we may see some new price targets. Until now we have to watch it clearly, because I think it will be in this channel for some days, I think so. Let me please show you some support level for the Mina right now. This is the support zone for Mina, and here you can see after hitting this support zone, Mina price is bouncing back again. This is the support zone, and this is first support zone, and the second support zone for the Mina price is this zone. You can say this zone. $3.5 price area is the second support zone for the Mina, and third support zone for the Mina protocol is $2.95. These are major support levels for Mina protocol, and these are 3 levels. We have to watch these levels very carefully and very closely. These are 3 levels, and let me please show you, if Mina break this In that case, price can go down to retest this zone, $3.5 price area, and this is a strong support. And after that, the strong support is at $2.96. These are support levels. Let me please mark level on it. Please note down these levels. These are the levels for Mina protocol in 4-hourly chart. But I think after hitting this, it will bounce to this zone again, $4.8 price area, and it is going to happen, I think so, very soon. And once it broke this, in that case 3.5 and 2.5 are the targets. Let me please show you these levels, and these are fib retracement levels. Here you can see Mina is currently in this level in between 0.5 to 0.61 level, and this is the important zone for the Mina to hold, is at $4 price zone. This area, $4 to $3.8 price zone, is very important zone for Mina protocol to hold. If price break this zone, in that case 0.78, and it is at $3.32 price area. And if Mina protocol broke this, in that case I will be very bearish on Mina protocol. And once Mina price broke this level, 0.78, and it is at sorry for that, once Mina broke the golden pocket, and it is at $4.5 price area, and the next area is $5 price area. Once Mina protocol broke these levels, I will be bullish. But until now, I have to watch this very carefully. These are the levels. Note down these levels. These are the retracement levels. And let me please show you my next chart. It is daily chart, and here you can see this is the main trend line, and you can see several touches. First touch, second touch, third touch, fourth touch, and maybe price can retest this zone, and price can go to $3.7, maybe $3.95. But I think this zone is very important. Maybe price touch this zone, and after touching this, here you can see price bounce back. This is the horizontal resistance zone, is at $6.4, and this is the horizontal support zone, is at $4.15. And once Mina protocol broke this, in that case this support zone, the next support zone according to the next support zone will be this zone, $3.35 price area, $3.40 price area. This area is very important. Once Mina protocol, if unfortunately broke this, in that case maybe we can see some dead kind of scenario, and after that price bounce back again. This zone is very important. $4.15 and $3.50 price area is very important, and this trend line is the main trend line, and once it broke by Mina, in that case price can further go down. And let me please show you some indicators and my target. Let me please show you first of all EMA ribbon. Candles are in between EMA ribbon, here you can see, and that is a good sign. If candles broke this and close daily candle above $5 price area, this will be the very good sign, and this will create new momentum, upside momentum for this token. And if it close below this, here you can see $3.70, in that case the next support is at $3.5, and this is the major support. Once it break this, in that case I will be very bearish on Mina. And let me please hide this, and let me please show you CPR levels. Here you can see the main CPR lines. Let me please remove these some drawings. The main CPR lines of Mina protocols are in between. Let me please zoom this. In between $3.25 to $2.60. These are major support for the Mina protocol. As you see, Mina protocol hit target 1. This is the target 1 line of this is the monthly CPR target 1, and it is at $4.50 price area, and the next target is for 5.26. Mina protocol hit these both targets, and the last target for this month for Mina is $6.73, but it is in this correction zone. Maybe price can retest this zone, this support zone, and it is at $3.40 price area. But these three lines are very, very important for Mina protocol, because these three lines are major support for the Mina protocol, these three CPR lines. If Mina protocol price broke this, in that case 2.15 is very, very bearish target, and it is bearish target 1 of this monthly CPR. Let me please hide this, and let me please show you the Fib retracement levels. Let me please arrange this. Here you can see Mina protocol is at 0.38 Fib retracement level, and it is at $4.39 price area. If Mina protocol price broke this area, this Fib level, in that case 0.23, and it is at $3 price area. And once Mina protocol broke this area, in that case this will be very, very bearish sign, and in that case price of the Mina can go down maybe $2, maybe $2.5. And if Mina protocol hold this 0.38 price zone in Fib level, in that case next zone is 0.5, and price can retest 5.46, and after that 0.61, and price can retest $6.61 price area. Once Mina protocol broke this 0.78 Fib retracement level, and it is at $8.16, in that case I will be very, very bullish. Let me please mark this. Once Mina protocol break this area, in that case this will create the bullish momentum for Mina protocol. In that case Mina protocol will break its all-time high and will create new all-time high. And let me please show you weekly chart. This is Mina protocol weekly chart, and here you can see this is the horizontal resistance for Mina protocol, and this is the horizontal support zone for Mina protocol, and these are two levels, $4 price level and $6.10 price level to $6.30 price level. If unfortunately Mina protocol broke this, in that case next level is $3 price level. Note down these levels. These are the support zone levels, and these are the levels I think Mina protocol should have to hold. And let me please remove this, and let me please show you the target of this bull run. Let me please do this, and after that I will show you the target. Currently it is in this in between 0.38 to 0.5 retracement level, and the target for this, once it broke this 0.78 area, and in that case this will create bullish momentum, and my price target and for the Mina protocol for this bull run is this area. Price of the Mina protocol may be hit $20 to $22 price will be the target, and this is my final target. Mina protocol can hit $20, maybe $22 in this bull run, and this is my final target. Guys, this is my technical analysis. If you like this, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram, Twitter. Like target of this video is just 30. Please like this video, And if you want to buy this token on Binance Exchange, this is the link. Click on this link and create your account, and after initial deposit you can get $700 absolutely free, and I will give you $20 if you register with my affiliate link with this link and complete your KYC and give me proof on my Telegram or Twitter. Then I will give you $20 immediately. Thanks for the watching and always keep supporting me. Take care.